Hello, good afternoon guys. Another this 2.5 HP inverter Panasonic. We are going to test again for sure that it is working. This is different from the other one because these are two units. Now we're gonna test very well so that we can ascertain that these are working properly. See, I will switch on the breaker and let's observe what's gonna happen. This is to indoor, this one. See, now it's working. Let's do indoor. See, now it's working. Outdoor fan motor, compressor as well. It's working. We're gonna see. Guys, we have to observe a couple of minutes to make sure that it's working properly. So we'll wait for a moment guys. Let us observe. We can assure that this is working properly because it almost 2 minutes working, so I cannot run it longer because it's consume a lot of currents. See, this is the wattage and then the ampere. See? 1.48 amperes in 275 watts. Okay guys, if you like the video, please click the button and then please subscribe. Thank you very much until our next video. Okay. Anyway guys, the problem of this also IPM, I replaced the IPM of this because before it was not working, the fan motor and compressor. So till next video, thank you very much guys for watching this video. Okay, bye.